Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video we're going to show you how to use a clay bar. We've been using, nothing sponsored here, but we've been using the Mother's California Gold clay bar, which works amazing. As you know, we've been rebuilding that Mercedes that we got from auction, and you can see, let me just get the right angle. You're going to see how much of a film that thing has on top, where it's set somewhere. Trying to focus here so you can see it. Look at that thing now. Do you hear that? When I do my fingers, it shouldn't be that way. It should be smooth as glass. So clay bar, what it does, it removes anything that's stuck to the paint. It makes it super smooth, super sleek. But one thing that it also removes is wax. So at the end we will need to wax it. And stay with us to see how we're going to do that, how we will use the clay bar. First thing, you need to wash and dry your car, and you need to do that out of the sun and never when it's windy, so dust doesn't stick to the car. Preferably do it inside the garage. So let us show you what's inside the kit. You have everything that you need to do at least one car. We've done 2 or 3 with that kit. You have a microfiber, premium microfiber towel, which is great. You have the instant detailer. You have 200 grams, you can see right here, of California Gold clay bar kit. And right here you can see on the box how it actually works. You can see you have paint, clear coat, and then you have the instant detailer. It's lubricating while you're clay barring. You go only back and forth, never in a circle, and it cleans everything. I showed you right here. That's what it feels like before and after. It should be very smooth. So first step is you get the instant detailer, and you need to lubricate the surface that you're working. It needs to be lubricated, otherwise it's not going to work. Now let me show you. Check out that film again that I showed in the beginning. You can see right here, watch how it doesn't come off. So you get the clay bar and you go back and forth, and it will start getting smooth. And you need to always keep it lubricated. Check it out now. That's on the clay bar, guys. So let's do a little bit more, and we're going to wipe and see what it looks like. And if it starts getting dirty, you just fold it and start working on another side. Now we're going to get microfiber towel, the one that comes with the kit, and you need to dry the area that you worked. And right now, remember how it was making the noise? Listen now, you don't hear anything. Let me come on this side here. Here it's smooth as glass. You can see absolutely no contamination in the paint, and here you can still see that film. So we're going to do that to the whole car, and you have to stay with us until the end to see what else you need to do, because right now we removed all the wax. So now it's important to put wax. We use Glossworks by Chemical, guys, because it has leveling agents. It makes everything super shiny, protects the paint as well. And we'll get a small microfiber towel or applicator, and you're going to apply a thin layer, and you need to rub it in the paint. So you go in circular motions until the wax is gone. Practically, it's absorbed in the paint. And this one smells really good too. It's kind of like bubble gum. You can see we still have wax, and once you do that, we're going to get a clean microfiber towel, a very soft one, and you need to polish it now. So if you have anything left, you can get it out. And now let me show you guys. This is the reflection of the clouds in the paint. Check it out. That's unreal. It's so smooth. I move my fingers and you cannot hear anything. You can definitely feel it with the towel moving it back and forth. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to this channel and let's grow it together.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.